Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox another package from Shopee. Let's open it. I don't want it to be slow. Just want it to be fast right now because I'm kind of rushing to it. Rush into it. And let's check the cube. Check out the cube. Let's take a look at the macaron first. Okay. Nice. And then I've already had this before. I just ordered another one because I think it's kind of cool. Here it is. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry, my aunt interrupted my recording. She called a while ago. So let's take a look. I think I'll go with this one first. Okay. This is my second Meilong. I hope this is this. Wow, it's kind of frosted though. And it has a loop inside. It's 2 first turns. It's kind of sandy. It's dry on the inside. Yeah, it's dry on the inside. It's kind of smooth. Papery feeling. Let's do corner cutting. And okay. Reverse corner cutting. Let's check in the internals. Okay. I think I can't do it. Oh shit. Destroyed. Oh my god. This cube is like 100% plastic because of the mechanism. Let's take it back. Okay. Let's do an example solve. Okay, an F to L. Another F to L. My favorite F to L. I hate this oil though. So, okay, let's take a look at this one. At this one, what I meant. It's really hard to open. Okay. Let's open it. Let's set aside this cube. Oh. They have the same pamphlet. What a coincidence though. Whoa. It's kind of soft on the inside. Let me guess, this is kind of a pink dandelion or rose gold. And this is a mild pink. Let's do first turns. Okay. This cube is sandy too, like you know, greasy. Let's do corner cutting. Reverse corner cutting. Okay, let's do an example solve. That is hard though. Oh nice, I can solve it even the color is different color scheme. think I could recommend this cube instead of this one. If you're having fun, what I'm trying to say. If you want a budget cube, you can buy this. It's kind of good. It's kind of good to solve this one. It's really controllable. Okay. Let's do an example. So this two. Let's end it. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so that's for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe.